Alrighty. So on the bench today, we have a couple of PCBs that a client dropped off. One is a Golden Tee, one is a Wonder Boy, and one is something else. I can't remember, but when we boot it up, we'll find out. According to him, the Golden Tee boots, then goes to a black screen and does nothing. So we'll check that. I believe the Wonder Boy and the other one have graphical issues. So let's open it up here. And he doesn't live far from me, this guy. So he's been here before. I fixed his Snow Bros PCB. And what is that? Well, that's not good. I don't even have it out of the box yet. And we see an issue. That is what a good visual inspection is for, but I didn't even have to get it out of the box yet. Okay, well, let's pull this out. Man, these boards are always filthy. So we'll pull that out. I'll get that done. And then I believe that is the Wonder Boy. I believe. What is with the electrical tape holding this down? What is this? Not a clue. And underneath here we have the other one. I don't know what that is either, but well, that's JAMA, so we can hook that up and find out what that is easily. But Wonder Boy has its own pinout, so we'll have to figure out the pinout on that. If I'm not mistaken, shouldn't Sega's name be on this, or is this a bootleg? Okay, never mind. Let's get to the Golden Tee. Okay, we got everything set up here. Got our power supply, voltage in, voltage for the compact flash. We're all hooked up here, VGA. Let's get you sit down here. That I am seriously concerned about, though. Let's zoom in on that. You know what? Let's take a look at that. I mean, obviously he's turned it on like that, but I wonder if he's blown this. Let's see if we can get a close-up of what the hell is happening here. Yeah, those are shorted. I'm not turning this on. No, forget it. Hang on. Yeah, we're not doing that. Not a chance. There's no way we're turning that on like that. Let's get this removed here. Yeah, there's no way. I'm not turning that on like that. I'm just not doing it. Let's get sat down here. Let's get in on this here. Well, they might not be shorted. Yeah, they might not be. I mean, I do see a gap here. I do see a small gap. That is gapped. What is happening up here? What was that? Look at this. I wonder if any of these pins are off as well. Hang on, let me get you more focused in on this here. Yeah, I don't know about you guys, but I do not like the look of that chip at all. I might have to take some time here and really get this pin focus on that and stay focused. Like, that's a massive gap in there. Like, wow. Yeah, I don't like any of that. Is that pin even still connected right here? this one. Yeah, I don't like none of that. Okay. And over here, right here, we have some bullshit happening too. This is definitely taking a hit. I'm just trying to be really gentle here. Is this pin off? Is this pin off? Nope. Okay, I'm going to try to work some magic here and try to get these pins at least somewhat away from each other. Just slowly work this blade in here. Because I don't like none of that. That's a little better. At least I know that's not shorted there. I am going to have to go through and check every single one of these pins though. Somebody must have taken this board out when they were upgrading it to the compact flash, or maybe it happened before and I can't see somebody doing that, putting the compact flash. I mean, well, they might not have noticed it. They might not have. You gotta remember too, I'm working looking through the camera here. Let me get it's gonna blow you guys right out, but I needed a little more light there. I might want to look at this chip too around the edge to see if I see any blowouts from anything. I doubt these are power pins, but I mean, I don't know this chip. I don't know the exact pinout of it, but I can see where it's taking a hit here. Can you see that streak right there? Starting from right here, and it goes this way and downwards. Can you see that? It starts right here and comes this way, down through here, and up this way, like that. Can you see? That's where it's taking a hit, just like that. Let me work on this some more and get those pins separated a little more here, especially right here. I don't know what is happening right there. I mean, there could be enough of that pin. Get over there. I mean, I know it's always better to turn it on and see what the issue is before working, but these pins being so close are a little scary. Stay focused. 'Cause I can't see. Let me turn that off again. Let me see if I can turn up the exposure a little bit. See, I don't know what is happening up here. Like if that, yeah, see, there's like metal chunks. See that? They might have been enough to be shorted. You see that right there? That's enough. Those metal chunks are enough to make it shorted. That's for sure. I think I'm going to get my compressor out and blow some of this crap away. Yeah, let me get rid of that crap on there. Look at that. You seen that on the end of my blade there. There was metal crap on there. just want to get these pins far enough away. From each other. I know this might not be the best content here, but you know, got to be done, right? That looks, at least I know they're not shorted anywhere. Let me get rid of this one too. Actually pull this one the other way. There we go. I can probably move that one over a little bit more too. That one a little bit. Okay, well I definitely know they're not shorted. What the fuck is happening right here? Some shit on it, isn't there? Yep, there was. Yep, I'm gonna blow this out. You can see the little pieces of metal. Look at right there. And with that being so close, it's almost like I can see right in here there is too. But I can definitely see it right here. You see those little pieces of metal? I mean, with them being so close, that might have been enough to short it. Now, he did say it booted, but it didn't go anywhere afterwards. And I wonder if there was just data pins shorted together. Okay, I'll be right back. Let me get this blown away, and then we'll come back. Oh, look at that on the board. Yeah, look at these scrape marks. Right there. And right there. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, I got that pretty much blown away here. Now, what is that behind there? Hopefully that's just dust. There's still some more schmoo on here. Yeah, there is. Let me do that one more time. Actually, let's see if we can, get it to go away like this here. Stay focused on that, please. Come on, you. Don't act up today. Was that just from where it got hit? Yeah, I believe so. Yeah, okay. Let me blow that out one more time and I'll be right back. Okay. Let's see how that looks now. Yeah, that looks better. Okay, now I'm more comfortable. Yeah, I'm much more comfortable booting that up now. Okay, let's get you up here. Let's get you zoomed all the way out. Let's get VGA connected. Let's bring in some power. IDE. Let's bring in some more power. Let's supply power to the hard drive. Compact flash. Wow, look at that. The hell? What kind of cheap adapter is this? Jesus. Where did that come from? Wow, I hate these cheap adapters. They're horrible. They never sit right. Look at that. Push that one right out. Wow, this is a cheap, really cheap adapter here. Wow, really? Look at that. That pin won't even stay in there. Well, I mean, there's always, can always apply 12 volts a different way. I'm not really worried about that. Let's get that one in first. Sorry. Let's get that one in first, and then maybe the rest will follow properly. Wow. I mean, I know they don't make... Well, they might still make Molex connectors like this. Well, obviously they do, but these look like cheap China. I would rather them just buy these two connectors, the two Molex things, and use old like 90s hard drive, power supplies that are dead, and use these off of them to make them. That way, you know, they're good cables. Not like these cheap things here. These are fucking horrible. Yeah, that just does not want to sit right. Oh, look it. That pin just wants to keep coming out. Get in there. There we go. Jeez. Okay. Power off. Let's get I need a jumper wire, which I will find here somewhere. I just need something to jump the power on button. Give me 2 seconds because I don't know where I put it. Okay, jumper applied. Power on. Light is on. Data. We have activity. Here we go, loading up. Huh, really? Really? There is nothing wrong with this. What, oh, look at that. What's that all about? Let's turn that off. Zoom me back out here. Let's turn that back on. I do have another power supply, but there's something going on here. Huh. Let's, let's do, what do you call it here? Let's do a voltage test here. What do we have? What do we have at, what do we have at 5 volts here? 5.065. And what do we have at 12.52? Well, there's definitely nothing wrong with the voltage going to this board here. There's definitely enough voltage happening here. What the hell? What do we have here? Sorry. Let me bring this into shot here. I don't know if you'll be able to read it. You might be able to. What do we have here? 4.9. That's not enough. 12 is definitely enough. No -5, of course. 4.912. That's not enough. Really? Huh. Well, we could always throw the JAMA on and just leave this power supply to power this. Let's try that. Okay, we have JAMA hooked up. We're still going to use the switch mode power supply over here. So let's apply power to IDE. Let's apply power via JAMA. Let's see what happens now. If anything, I'll need to adjust the voltage on there. Okay, hang on 1 second. Let's shut that down, because I already know that's probably too low, but I can increase it here a little bit. What are we getting? 4.967. I can raise that even more. There we go. We're good. We're good. That I don't like. I don't know if that's something to do with just the way... There we go. It works. I have sound. There we go. I really wonder if those data pins were shorted. Yeah, this is good to go. Free play, eh? Start. Is it gonna freeze? No. I'm not gonna be able to do anything. Yeah, there's nothing I can't do anything. I mean, I do have a trackball for it upstairs, but yeah, let's get one installed here. But this, he said it just went black screen, wouldn't load. Well, I mean, that's running. Yeah, that seems to be just fine. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to contact him and say, where did it stop? Where was the issue? As far as I was concerned... Oh, that was wild. Was that supposed to look like that? No. It can't be, can it? No. That's how it's supposed to look. Nice demo. What is happening here? Huh. Alright, so let me contact him real quick. I'll be right back. Okay, so yeah, I got a hold of the owner of the board, and he said it would get to the first black screen here. Let me raise you up. I'm trying to get you to stay right there for me. Yep, screen's in. Okay, so let's power the drive, the compact flash, power the board. He said it would get to right there and freeze. It would never make it to this screen. It would never make it to that screen, let alone play. So I think that is exactly what the issue was, is the data pins on that were shorted together. Okay, that was an easy fix. He'll be happy. He will be happy. So thank you very much, guys. That's a quick one. Now we can move on to the Wonder Boy, and the other one was Rolling Thunder. So we'll move on to Wonder Boy and Rolling Thunder now. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe down below. You guys know what to do. Blah, blah, blah. Thanks for watching.